Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, or we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today that the daily candle here, it finished here in that place. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you. As you see it gives us here another pin bar here in that level. But as majority of you know, Saturday and Sunday the market is going to stay here sideways like that 2 days here. You remember it? Till Monday, then also we're going to make a decision because that green candle here is the candle of Monday. So till now, even that Monday, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now, Saturday and Sunday, you know the market is going to stay sideways and all of us, we know it. So don't try to open any trade at that time. I'm talking here about day traders and those things. For long term, those ones we still waiting the break to happen here in that level here. If we break it, then also we're going to enter long. And for the short, for long term, there is no short. For long term is always buying and holding. Also we're selling for long term only in the top. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And another thing here, let me show it to you. You remember those moving averages also we're talking about? We touch here the 50 moving average here. Now maybe the market is going to fall down to touch here the 100 moving average. That it's possible. Another scenario, it might from here is going to go up. So still now the market they give us a indecision candle in the weekly. So even that one we need to be focused about it, because as you see the week it started from here, it's going to close here and it's giving us now a indecision candle. The indecision candle it's be like that and like that. That a indecision candle. That in the weekly. Also we're going to wait until Monday, then also we're going to enter here for long term. Either it need to break here that 50 moving average or to fall down here to the 100, and you need to buy 25% of your capital. People they've been with us, they buy from here. Now we are waiting. If it fall down here, we're going to buy again. If it's not, us already we buy here until now us we still hold a long term. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Another thing, you remember last week what else we said here about that two levels? We put the first level here of the option strikes, those ones here for the calls and those ones here for the pots. I'm talking here about people they selling pots and people they selling calls, for people not to get confused. So as you see it here, the market is staying exactly where also we accepted. Now let's go in for that week, and we're making for that week where is the market is going to go. So let's go into that page web to get those levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are. As you see it, the week is going to end up at 18 of month 8. So now let's searching for those levels together. We started from in the money here. Then we're going to find a level. So let's do it together. As you see, guys, I found a level for the pots. Is it here? 27,500. At the first level, pots here, they are 179 Bitcoin. And the calls, they are 0 here. So it's a very stronger level. So that's the first level, 27,500. Be focused with me here. Now let's go into fund for the calls. For the calls, guys, as you see it, is it here at 31. Okay, the pots is 0 and the calls is 652 Bitcoin. Is a huge volume here. So that two levels, 27,500 and 31k. Now let's go into the chart to doing the two levels together. So let's go in there. We said the top one is it here at 31k like that, and down here we said 27,500 like that. So that what is the view for those people? As you see, guys, for the calls they drop it down, and for the pots they drive it down more. That means the view of them, the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. And that's what me have been talking with you. I told you it's going to fall down to touch that 100 moving average. So that's the view. Or maybe it's going to stay sideways here another week. Also, we don't care. Till now, there is nothing yet. Also, we analyzing day by day. But that for all the week, it's telling you where is the Bitcoin is going to go. It was right, it might is not, because those people here, the pots of them, if the Bitcoin fall down and hit it here, then they are going to buy Bitcoin. And those ones, they are here. If the Bitcoin go up, I'm talking here about the calls. If the Bitcoin go up, then they are going to sell Bitcoin. But the picture is too clear, guys, here. We don't need to make the video too long now. I was going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. You remember yesterday in that analysis me I do for you, I told you here in that level there is the level between 50 and 61 Fibonacci retracement. And another thing here, we got the 50 and 100 moving average here. And the Bitcoin today it fell down. It's showing to us here a very nice pin bar here. Now for us to enter long, it's need the Bitcoin to come to break that 100 moving average for us to go up. And me personally, I'm thinking there is more falling down, guys, at least to that level here. That's my view personally, because till now also we couldn't break here that 200 moving average. So for swing trading, what should we do now? We are waiting till we got a clear signal, then also we're going to enter. Everything's still the same, nothing was changed. Let me show it to you. You remember yesterday what me I told about that two levels here, as you see them here with the red. And Bitcoin, he stays stronger here. He couldn't break them. That nice view and nice level. And the Bitcoin, how it reacting to that level here, it's showing to us it's still powerful. But here they try to push it down, but that level here is still very stronger. So let's hop in from here. We're going to see another jump up, or maybe just to the 200 moving average. Also, we're going to catch it in lower time frames. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, same thing, is it here in that wall in the middle. So there is no trading at that time. People that being with me, they know that when we are here, there is no trading. Also, we're waiting that one here, either to come to that level here or down here. When we are here, we just see a lot of manipulation from market makers. So at that time, I don't advise you to open any trade. Just wait till you're going to see a clear picture. That one either to come out here or to come down here. At this time, there is nothing, so us we still waiting till the market give us a clear picture. And another thing, I showed it to you yesterday. Okay, to repeat it, I told you we got here a trend line. Maybe we're going to touch it here, then after that we're going to see another jump up. Was that possible? Because as you see it, every time he used to touch it, he used to jump. So maybe even that one is going to touch it here, then we're going to jump up. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we being here at the overbought area until now. Also we still falling. Should we enter short now? For swing trading, also we enter a short from here. When it's breaking here by that candle here, we enter short. Until now we still holding. Yes, there is no volume to break that level because that level is very stronger supply and demand zone. That way also we still waiting. And now we are stuck here at that between that 50 and 100 moving average. So till now there is no short. If that one fall down and touch here, we will enter another long, but not now. Now we need to wait until the one touch here, and from here we're going to make a decision to enter long. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Just smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other. Please support us. If you find us, we give you very high and good quality content. So please support us by just a like and write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, me I tell it to you and I tell it to the people they are in my Telegram and my Discord. Also, we enter here a short from that level here. First take profit is bring it by that one. second take profit is bring it that till here until now we still holding our short. Why? Because also we collecting funding right every day, twice a day, so there is nothing new here. And another thing now, look at that price action you got here. Look at it, what you got here. Got a very clear wage here. That one we are going to wait it till Monday, either to break here or to break down here at that level. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now that level down here, it's still very stronger, so there is nothing new here. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, look at it, that's what me have been telling you guys. Look how long it's been here at the oversold area. From here, as you see it, till down here until now we're still in a downtrend here in 30 minutes. So there is nothing new. All those corrections here, because if you're looking with me here, what the market doing? Low, high, low, high, another low. Now he will give you another high. Then from here, we're going to give you another low. The only thing here was I noticed here, Bitcoin, there is no one want to sell. It's staying stuck here, and all those people, they just waiting. When it fall down, they buy from down, and they buying people, they accumulating, because also we are very close to the halving cycle. That's why you find Bitcoin, it doesn't fall down. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So what's my advice? Just buy slowly by slowly. You don't know when the Bitcoin is going to take off. That's my advice to you. So guys, that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.